Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Lilian Herbert channel. And for today's vlog guys, ay magta-travel tayo going to Terminal 2. Kasi dito kami galing sa Terminal 1 guys, galing Kalibo. And yung masakyan namin na Philippine Airlines going to Hong Kong ay sa Terminal 2. So hinatid kami ng bus ng service ng Philippine Airlines sa Terminal 2. Sana mag-enjoy kayo guys sa vlog ko for today. God bless and I love you all guys.
Okay, let's go.
So ayan guys, boarding na kami guys. Boarding Kalibo to Manila. Ay, kasamang bata pala daw dyan. Dito daw tayo, backdoor ka daw? Nagsabi backward din tayo. Hi guys, ang ganda ng weather. So ayan, nagsakay na tayo guys. So ayan. Sis! Tingin kasi. Sis! So ayan, balik na kami. Sabay na kami guys. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, ang gagawin ng ng weather.
Of the flag carrier, we kindly request all passengers to remain in your assigned seats for the duration of this flight. If you are seated in an exit row, civil aviation regulations mandate that you read the passenger briefing card. Should you wish to be reseated, please inform our cabin crew immediately. Allow us to be of service to you today. Mabuhay! Malugod namin kayong tinatanggap sa ating lipad dito sa Philippine Airlines. Aming buong pusong pasasalamat sa ating mabuhay milers sa patuloy na pagtangkilik sa ating flag carrier. Hinihiling namin sa lahat ng ating mga pasahero na manatili lamang sa kanilang itinakdang upuan sa kabuuan ng ating lipad. Ayon sa mandato ng Civil Aviation Regulations, kung kayo ay nakaupo sa exit row, mangyaring basahin ang passenger briefing card. Kung nais ninyong lumipat ng upuan, agad na ipagbigay alam sa inyong mga cabin.
Facilitate our departure and keep your seatbelt fastened at all times as we may encounter scheduled turbulence. We would like to issue the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination. On behalf of Captain
Our pilot in command is Captain Carlos, and this is your senior cabin crew, Lawrence. Our estimated flying time is approximately 45 minutes. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus 320-200 series. Please watch the cue.
We will now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free end to release. Of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Para sa maayos na pagbaba mula eroplano,
Manila. Hello. Dito na naman tayo. Kuha pa ako ng luggage. Yung Philippine Airlines, Terminal 2 pa yata. Oh, Terminal 2 pa. Magbas pa. Shuttle. Ha? Wala. Ano nang nilagay?
Hindi ka binigyan?
Ay, ano ka kasi? Diretso ka eh. Yung mga dito lang sa Manila, wala naman.
Hindi ka muna pupunta.
Nga?
Dito ka muna mag-stay din?
Mamaya pa siguro ako mapunta doon.
Wala po.
Mayang hapon. Diretso ka na. Domestic baggage.
Pwede ko na lang kukunin sa OFW.
Yung alin? Yung 550, yung OFW.
Tsaka yung card. Doon lang. Saan ba yung shuttle bus? Doon sila lang.
Ilalim. Sa ilalim. Baggage claim. Magtanong ka sa guard kung ano yung Philippine Airlines na ano kung ayan o baggage assistance. Ay wala naman kasi ay ito siguro yung ano
Yung baggage dito sa'yo.
yung dito sa akin pero So ayan guys, nagkuha na ako ng bagahe ko guys. So ayan, nakuha na natin ang ating bagahe at tayo ay maglilipat na sa sa Terminal 2. Magano na tayo sa Terminal 2 guys. Nag-chichik and bukas pa, magano doon. Toilet muna ako. Guys. So, ayan na nga guys, at dito na tayo sa Maynila. So, sumakay kami ng bus guys. Service ito ng Philippine Airlines going to Terminal 2 kasi yung pagdating namin ay sa Terminal 1 kami guys. So, yung masakyan naming Philippine Airlines going to Hong Kong ay dito sa Terminal 2. So, itong bus ay libre naman to kasi service ito ng Philippine Airlines pag ganitong may mga transfer sa ibang terminal. So, thank you so much guys for watching and mega love shoutout to all my subscribers, my viewers, my silent viewers, sa aking mga members, at sa lahat ng pupunta palagi sa premiere ko, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. And to my Auntie Susan na Falls Barriento sa US and family, sa aking asawa at aking dalawang anak, mega love shoutout sa aking Team Choco Pop, mega love shoutout. Thank you so much all guys sa always nagpag-support kay Lilian Nerbar Channel. At kung hindi pa kayo guys nakasubscribe, please subscribe Lilian Nerbar Channel at paki-press the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong upload. Thank you so much and God bless. I love you all guys. Ingat kayo palagi at sana'y nag-enjoy kayo sa aking vlog for today. This is part 2 guys. So may part 3 and 4 pa tayo guys. Sige, bye-bye and see you my next vlog. Ayan guys, dito na ako sa Ninoy International Airport and